Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you're well. Plug Power. This news came out yesterday, but in case you missed it, and it's still relevant even though it came out yesterday. Um, their earnings. Basically they missed on earnings and they were down over 10% yesterday. They closed today at $13.84. So I see Plug as a time to get in, to start a position if you haven't, in my opinion. I'd probably wait till it might hit 12, so I'd wait till 12. But if it hits 12, I'm definitely in on Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday, whenever it happens. Or even 13, if it goes down to 13. But anyway, it'll be nice to start a position there. It's a weird stock. I mean, just 3 years ago, less than 3 years ago, it was trading in the $3 range, you know. But let me read you the news. Okay. Plug, which sells renewable hydrogen fuel and fuel cell technology that serves electric vehicles, hydrogen fueling stations, and things like cold storage, said it expected 2023 sales of $1.4 billion compared with FactSet estimates for $1.36 billion, as its new gigafactory begins cranking out hydrogen production gear. Plug Power reported fourth quarter revenue of $220.7 million, a 36% jump from $162 million in the fourth quarter of 2021. Analysts polled by FactSet expected a per-share loss of 25 cents on sales of $281.2 million. Shares declined. The company reported the results as it races to ramp up hydrogen facilities to meet expected demand. Plug Power has been trying to capitalize a shift toward decarbonization, offering services that produce, transport, store, and dispense green hydrogen via dozens of refueling stations across the U.S. The company produces green hydrogen via renewable electricity and water. It cites Amazon, Whole Foods, Walmart, FedEx as customers. Big deal customers. Over the past 2 years, Plug Power has opened or begun building hydrogen plants and other facilities in multiple states. But in January, executives said the fourth quarter was a tougher quarter than expected, and the company's growth ran into production snags for new products, supply chain hiccups. But they expect improvements in the first quarter. We have sites where the hydrogen infrastructure has already been built and ready to go. Fuel cells ready to ship, CEO Andrew Marsh said during a conference call with analysts in January. But the customers' construction in many cases did not get completed. Though that'll happen in the first quarter. I guess if you can take a CEO's word for it, that's something you have to weigh. Most analysts tracked by FactSet have a buy rating on the stock. UBS analysts in December said that hydrogen could be a $10 trillion market by 2030, and Plug aims to be a one-stop shop and market leader in the entire space, according to Barron's. Plug Power stock has slid 42.6% over the past 12 months. By comparison, the S&P 500 index has fallen 8.2% over that period. So Plug basically is like the one that's the biggest name, I guess, and for hydrogen fuel cells, green energy and all that. And they have $2 billion in cash. That's a lot. They have $900 million in debt, so they got money to play with. And if you could take them at their word, they are going to fulfill their what's the word I'm looking for? Obligations? I don't know. Whatever they, their promises of building sites and delivering for their customers. So I think it's a buy. I like it. Tell me what you all think about Plug Power, and have a beautiful, blessed weekend. Bye-bye.